Ni hao, assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn this or that in Chinese language. So let's get started. How to say this in Chinese? It's 这 这. Let's have a look at the example. This is an apple. This is an apple. This means 这是一个苹果。这 means this. 是 means SMR. 一个 means one. 个 is a measure word. 一个苹果 apple. 这是一个苹果。这是一个苹果。This is an apple. Now how to say that in Chinese? It's 呢 Let's have a look at the example of 呢. That is tree. 那是树. 那 means that. 是 is MR. Tree means 树. 那是树. 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 That is tree. Look at the another example of this or that. What is this? In Chinese, we say like, this is what? 这是什么? 这是什么? What is this? 这是什么? 这是什么? Now, how to say what is that? 那是什么? 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 What is this? 这是什么? This is an apple. 这是一个苹果。那是什么? What is that? 那是树。That is tree.